Wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. First of all, I would like to thank to Allah Subhanahu wa Taala because of His blessing and mercy. I can present my research proposal today. My name is Mulai Iksan. Today, I would like to present my research proposal entitled "The Correlation of Writing Anxiety, Writing Motivation, and Writing Achievement of Seven Grade Students of SMPN 2 Muara Padang." One is background of study. English is very important education, communication, technology, and international interaction. In Indonesia, English is taught as a foreign language starting from junior secondary school. Among the four English skills, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Writing is considered the most difficult skill. Why? Because students must think about many things at the same time, such as grammar, vocabulary, sentence structure, and organization or ideas. Besides linguistic problems, students also experience psychological problems while writing in English. One important psychological factor is writing anxiety. Writing anxiety refers to feeling of fear, nervous, worry, or lack confidence when a student are asked to write in English. For example, a student may feel afraid of making grammar mistake, afraid of being judged by teacher, or afraid their writing is bad. As a result, students might avoid writing activities and show lower writing performance. Another important factor is writing motivation. Writing motivation is encouragement or willingness of students to write and improve their writing ability. Students who have high motivation usually practice more, participate actively, and are more confident in writing activities. Previous studies mostly examined writing anxiety and writing motivation separately. However, studies that examine both variables together, especially among junior secondary students in Indonesia, are still limited. Therefore, this research investigates the relationship among writing anxiety, writing motivation, and writing achievement. Number two is research question. This study has two research questions. Is the first question is there a significant question among writing anxiety, writing motivation, and writing achievement? This question aims to discover whether those three variables are related to each other. The second question is to what extent do writing anxiety and writing motivation contribute to writing achievement? This question aims to discover how strong an influence or contribution of anxiety and motivation is toward students' writing achievement. Next, we have objective. The objective of the study. The objective of the study are aligned with the research question. First, the study aims to investigate the correlation among writing anxiety, writing motivation, and writing achievement. Second, the study aims to determine the contribution of writing anxiety and writing motivation towards student and writing achievement. In short, the study wants to know whether anxiety and motivation are related to student writing scores and how much they contribute. Number four key concept. A. Writing anxiety. Writing anxiety is measured using the second language writing anxiety inventory or SLY, developed by Cheng in 2004. This instrument has three dimensions. Number one is cognitive anxiety. This refers to negative thoughts and worries about writing performance. For example, like students think their writing is bad or they are afraid of making mistakes. Number two is somatic anxiety. This refers to physical reaction during writing activities. For example, students feel nervous, their hand shakes, or their mind is go blank. Number three, avoids behavior. This refers to students' tendency to avoid writing activities. For example, a student delay assignment or dislike writing tasks. Writing tasks. B. Writing motivation. Writing motivation is measured use the academic writing motivation questionnaire or AWMQ developed by Payne in 2012. It consists of five dimensions, like number one is enjoyment, number two self-enjoyment, student enjoy writing activities, number two self-efficiency, student believe that they are capable of writing well, number three instrumentally, students think writing is useful for their future. Number four is recognition. Students like appreciation or praise for their writing. Number five is effort. Students are willing to work hard to improve their writing. Students with higher motivation usually show better engagement and better writing and performance. Next, C, writing achievement. Writing achievement is measured using a writing test such as with ESL composition profile developed by Jacobs and his college in 1981. The assessment includes a five component. Number one is content, measure the quality and development of ideas. Number two, organization, measure the engagement and coherence of ideas. Next, vocabulary, measure word choice and vocabulary use. Next is language use, measure grammar and sentence structure. Number four is next is mechanic, measure punctuation, spelling, and capitalization. The total score of range is from 0 to 100. Number five is conceptual framework. This study, this study proposed the three relationships. First, writing anxiety has a negative relationship with writing achievement. It means a student with higher anxiety tends to have lower writing scores. Second, writing motivation has a positive relationship with writing achievement. It means a student with higher motivation tend to achieve better writing performance. Third, writing anxiety and writing motivation are negatively correlated. It means students with high anxiety usually have lower motivation. Number six, we have hypothesis. This study has several hypotheses. H1, there is a significant correlation among writing anxiety, writing motivation, and writing achievement. H1A, writing anxiety negatively correlates with writing motivation. H1B, writing anxiety negatively correlates with writing achievement. H1C, writing motivation positively correlates with writing achievement. H2, writing anxiety and writing motivation significantly contribute to writing achievement. In simple words, the study predicts that anxiety decreases writing performance while motivation improves it. Next, research methodology. This study used quantitative correlation research design. A correlation research is used to examine relationship among variables without manipulation them. The population of this study are the population of the studies are 7th grade students at SMPN 2 Muara Padang. The sample consists of approximately 100 to 150 students select using probability sampling techniques. X is research instrument. This study has used three instruments. The first SLY to measure writing anxiety. Second is AWM key to ensure writing motivation. The third, a writing test assessed using the ESL composition profile to measure writing achievement. To make the scoring reliable, two rates will score student writing composition. Number 9 is data collection procedure. The data collection process includes several steps. First, the researcher prepare and translate the instrument into Indonesian. Second, the research ask permission to school and obtain consent from student and parents. Third, student answer the questionnaires. relate to anxiety and motivation. For student completed writing text. Finally, the research scores the writing test and analyze the data. Number 10, data analysis technique. The data will be analyzed using SPSS. The research will use descriptive statistic to describe the data. Then a person product moment correlation will be used exam relationship among a variables. Finally, multiple regression analysis will use to determine determine the contribution of writing anxiety and writing motivation toward writing achievement. Next, we have a signification of the study. This study expect the provide benefit of several groups. For the teacher can better understand the student psychological and motivation problem in writing. For the student can become more aware of their anxiety and motivation while writing. For further research, this study can become a reference of future studies related to EFL writing. Now we have we now we The last one is conclusion. In conclusion, the study investigates the relationship among writing anxiety, writing motivation, and writing achievement of 7th grade students at SMPN Cumara Padang. This study is this study is expected to contribute to English language teaching, especially in understanding active factors influencing students' writing performance. That's all of my presentation. Thank you very much for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.